Thailand trounced the Philippine women's volleyball team in straight sets, 25-22, 25-12, 25-15, in its opening game in the 2018 Asian Games on Sunday, August 19 at the GBK Volley Indoor Stadium. The Filipinas failed to sustain their strong start in the opening frame, where they even let in several stretches as the Thais took full control in the final two sets. Alyssa Valdez paced the nationals with 7 points, while Jaja Santiago and Kianna finished with 6 points each. Skippered by Aby Maraño, the Philippines opened the game leading by as much as 6 points in the first set. Thailand later unleashed a 6-0 run to take the lead by the second technical timeout, 16-15. The nationals again grabbed the advantage and stretched it to 19-16, but the Thais rallied back to take the opening set. Thailand held control the entire second set as it pulled away by 10 points after Chatchu-On Moksri'spike, 21-11. Thatdao Nuekjang continued to pounce as she closed out the second set in favor of Thailand.